Hey there, folks. Today, we are diving into a fascinating collection of updates from the University of Waterloo, and I can't wait to share my thoughts on some of the exciting initiatives and events happening on campus. So, grab a cup of coffee, and let's get started. First up, we have the launch of UW Current, a student-led publication dedicated to health and science storytelling. This platform aims to explore meaningful stories related to medicine, public health, and biomedical innovation. What makes this really interesting is the focus on student perspectives and the aim to inspire and engage students across all faculties. I think it's a brilliant way to highlight the incredible research and initiatives happening right here on campus and to encourage more students to get involved in science communication and health advocacy. Now, let's talk about the Dreaming a Bigger World experience, made possible by Senator V. Peter Harder's generous donation. This initiative supports undergraduate and graduate students at Conrad Grebel University College who are pursuing international learning opportunities. Harder emphasizes the importance of global literacy and the need for Canadians to understand the world better. Personally, I find this incredibly inspiring, as it opens up a world of possibilities for students to broaden their horizons, gain valuable experiences, and contribute to Canada's future leadership. It's a wonderful example of how philanthropy can make a real impact on student lives and their future careers. Moving on, we have the renewal of the Vevox polling tool contract, which is great news for students, instructors, and staff. This tool aims to streamline the educational experience by reducing duplication of technologies across campus. It's an important step towards efficient and cost-effective use of resources, and I believe it will greatly benefit the learning environment. Students often mention the negative impact of duplicate technologies, so it's fantastic to see the university taking action on this front. Lastly, we have the upcoming eInvigorate Sustainability Festival, which promises a celebration of community and collaboration. With a range of workshops, music, and academic panels, it's an event that brings together the entire university community. I love how it encourages students to engage with sustainability and showcases the work of alumni and representatives from across the region. It's a great way to raise awareness and inspire action towards environmental sustainability. So, there you have it. A glimpse into some of the amazing things happening at the University of Waterloo. I hope these updates have sparked your curiosity and inspired you to get involved in some of these initiatives. Remember, every small action counts, and together, we can make a difference. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Insert sign-off or call to action.